Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming TNT version and required libraries so commands behave predictably. Once done, open the config and locate the dataset path. This prevents misrouting. You should load a small sample and inspect class counts to calculate the imbalance ratio and identify minority labels. Make a backup of the original files and work on a copied dataset to avoid destructive changes. This ensures you can iterate safely while you apply balancing transforms and compare results against the untouched baseline. Now you pick a balancing approach based on data size and noise. Undersample for very large majority classes, oversample or smote to enrich minority examples, or use class weights during training. Next, modify the TNT pipeline. Update the data loader, augmentation rules, batch sampler, and ensure shuffle preserves class mixes. Run small experiment jobs to validate changes quickly and log per class metrics like precision, recall, and F1. By iterating these middle steps, you learn which method improves minority performance without degrading. To finish, scale your chosen balancing technique to the full dataset and monitor training stability, watching loss curves and batch-level class distributions. Make sure to validate on a holdout set and compare confusion matrices and per-class F1 scores to the baseline. If performance drops or training becomes unstable, try one key fix: reduce oversampling intensity, add regularization, or switch to class weights instead of synthetic examples. If issues persist, inspect data leakage or labeling errors as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.